Microsoft just posted its largest single-day gain in nearly 18 years, up 16.8% today. Azure revenue crossed $100 billion. EPS beat estimates, and critically, Capex guidance held steady instead of being raised. We ran the 5-day FSR. The chart shows exactly when earnings hit. Yesterday, Meta dropped nearly 9% on earnings, despite beating revenue. Today, Microsoft surged 17% on earnings and beat revenue. Both companies are spending heavily on AI. The difference? Microsoft held their Capex guidance steady. Meta raised theirs again. The market rewarded discipline and punished escalation. Same week, same sector, opposite reactions. Revenue came in at $90 billion, a beat. EPS at $4.74 against a $4.20 estimate. Azure, Microsoft's cloud platform, surpassed $100 billion in revenue for the first time. That milestone is what moves this stock. Cloud AI infrastructure is what the market wants to see monetized, and Azure just proved it's happening. 5 days of 30-minute interval data. FSR score 89%. Rolling FSR 96%. Price held flat between 380 and 400 all week. Then look at Windows 39 to 40. That's the earnings release. Price jumped from 390 to over 450 in a matter of hours. The rolling FSR chart dropped from 99% to 78% at that exact moment. A structural disruption from the upside move, not a breakdown. It's now holding around 456. When FSR drops on a big upside move, it means the same thing as when it drops on a crash. The data structure was disrupted, but the direction matters. Rolling FSR is already stabilizing at the new price level. The structure is recalibrating around 450, not breaking down. All this data can be run at predictability-api.com. Link is in the description. Thanks for stopping by. We'll catch you in the next one.